Do you want to show everyone how to flash stake today? You ready to do it? Let's do it. First, choose what token you want to earn. And let's choose wrapped ETH. That's a good choice, Hazel. Now let's go ahead and add half of the 500 flash that we just claimed. And let's set it for 365 days. And we'll just let this sit and earn. And we're going to get 0.01 ETH right now at 36.89 APY. Not bad. Let's approve it. Go ahead and confirm the transaction fee. Hazel, wait. Wait for it. Wait for it. Woohoo! Hazel, we just staked 250 flash. All right, Hazel, let's confirm. That's it, Hazel. We successfully staked 250 flash for 365 days. And now we got some of that sweet wrapped ETH in our MetaMask. High five on your first flash stake. Good girl.